Yo, check this place out right here, man. I can't really read what it says. Oh, wow. My man's making some sandwiches here. Hello, sir. What is this? What's the name? The name. What? 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐽𝐻. 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐽𝐻. Oh, 𝐬𝐿𝐫𝐽𝐻. Oh, this is nice. Wow, she looks like she's got like some kind of crepe. Hold on, I need to get one of these. Madam, I can have one like this? One with the chicken. All right, what she got here? Oh, she got like some kind of batter. She's putting the batter in here. Look at the way she's just like swirling it up. She's like swirling it and swirling it and swirling it. Oh, she's putting like an egg. Oh, she's breaking up the egg, mixing it with the crepe. Whoa, that's mad cool, yo. Look at the way it looks. There's some black pepper. Bro, that looks really cool. Ah, she flips it over.
No sauce.
What's that? What kind of sauce is that?
Sauce.
Sauce? Yeah. Little bit. Sweet sauce. Little bit. What is that?
Onion.
Spring onions.
Yeah.
Spring onions.
No.
Hot dog. Yeah, you can put. Yeah, no problem. You got like some little hot dog or something over there. What is that called, mommy? What is the name?
Name sausages.
Sausages.
Chinese sausage.
Chinese sausage. Oh, Chinese sausage. So she got the Chinese sausage, the spring onions, the crepe. She's going up in there. All right, let's get the chicken.
Bye.
Oh, so you're grabbing the chicken.
Yeah. You like spicy or no spicy?
Spicy is good. Spicy is good. She's throwing some spice in there. What kind of spice is that? Like an oil?
Yeah, oil. Yeah.
Hot oil?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay, that's fine. What is that?
Crispy.
Crispy.
Yeah. Okay.
So what is the name of this?
Pancake.
Pancake. This is like, you said, 𝐬𝐻𝐽𝐻?
No.
What?
煎饼果子.
What do you say?
煎饼果子.
𝐻𝐻𝐵?
果子.
Okay. I don't know how to say that, but okay. Oh, wow, it looks so good. She puts it in like this cool bag.
Yeah.
Madam, how much?
$7.
How much?
$7.
$7. Okay. Yo, let me pay the lady. Now for like the taste, man. Check this out. Mommy, what's that name again?
煎饼果子.
Yo, I don't know, man. But yo, check this out. It's kind of hot. They got the chicken, the spring onions, the Chinese sausage, and those cracker looking things, you know? Yo, this looks so good, man. It's something different, you know? I always see this around, but I never really tried it before. Yo, this is good, man. It's like a Chinese shawarma, you know? Yo, this is good. Look at the smoke coming out, man. Look at the smoke. It's so hot, you know? It's burning my mouth. But yo, it's so good. I don't care, man. And we got this for like $7. $7, man. I'm always passing by it. I see this all the time, you know? And I never thought they put it in like the crepe, you know? I always seen the bread thinking that they just put it in like the regular bread, you know? But I found out this crepe. Yo, this crepe is good, man. Especially she threw the egg on there, you know? Madam, can you say the name? The name?
煎饼果子
Alright, that's what it is. Good. Alright, man. Let's go.